Welcome. In this new video, I will tell you about national animals from different countries. Let's start. Bald eagle from United States, beaver from Canada, lion from England, unicorn from Scotland, red kangaroo from Australia, giant panda from China, Bengal tiger from India, Russian bear from Russia, springbok from South Africa, jaguar from Brazil, green pheasant from Japan, garlic rooster from France, eagle from Germany, golden eagle from Mexico, bull from Spain, Italian wolf from Italy, Rufous hornero from Argentina, markhor from Pakistan, kiwi from New Zealand, Siberian tiger from South Korea, Arabian oryx from Saudi Arabia. Like, share and subscribe.